The good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 4 from verse 1 to verse 13. The devil try to make Jesus do wrong. After Jesus get baptized, the Holy Spirit take control of him and make him go in the desert. Him did there for 40 days, and for the whole time the devil try hard to make him do wrong. No, Jesus did hungry bad, cause for the 40 days he named nothing. The devil said to Jesus, if you are God boy pitney, tell the rock stone here fi turn bread. Jesus answer, it right down in a God word say, man no live pan bread one. The devil carry Jesus up a one tall place, and before him could have quint so, he show him all the country them in the world. Him tell Jesus say, me we give you power over all of them country and all of the nice sitting we come with them, cause me get them and me can get anybody me want. If you worship me, all I of you. And Jesus answered him, it right down say, you fi worship the Lord where you God, and a him one you fi serve. Then the devil carried Jesus go to Jerusalem and make him turn up on the tallest part of God's house. If you are God boy pitney, the devil say, jump off of your soul, cause it right down say, God we tell him angel them if take good care of you, and that they may catch you so you not lick up your foot upon rock stone. Jesus answered him say, it right down say, no test the Lord where you God. After the devil don't try hard to make Jesus do wrong, him left him till he get one next chance. A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.